Sex jokes. Why do men like having sex with the lights on? It makes it easier to put a name to the face. Racist jokes. What do you do if you see a black man flopping around on the ground? Stop laughing and reload. Gay jokes. Why did the little Greek boy run away from home? He didn't like the way he was being reared. Dark people jokes. Q. How do you hide something from a black man? A. Put it in a book. Black humor jokes. Who are the fastest readers in the world? 9/11's victims. They went through 87 stories in 10 seconds. Black humor jokes. What's red, bubbly, and scratches at the window before exploding? A baby in a microwave. Blonde jokes. It was mealtime during a flight on Blonde Airlines. Would you like dinner? The flight attendant asked John, seated in front. What are my choices? John asked. Yes or no, she replied. Money jokes. Never borrow money from optimists. They always expect to get it back. Disgusting jokes. What's pink and red and silver and crawls into walls? A baby with forks in its eyes. Jokes about men. Q. What is height of stupidity? A man looking through a keyhole of a glass door.